And today we're coming to you from a place that distills their own bourbon right here in Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and on this week's episode, I'm gonna do something that I've never done on any episode of Old-Fashioned Friday, nor have I done on any video on the entire Virginia is for Grubbers platform, and that is introduce myself. My name is Jay, also known as Films by Jay. I'm at Films by Jay on every single social media platform. I purposely wasn't throwing my name and socials out there because I wanted the Grubbers brand to grow. But now when people are seeing me out, they're like, hey, you're the Grubbers guy, or you're the old-fashioned guy, and people don't even know my name. So it's either they call me Jay, they call me Films by Jay because that's my social, or now the Grubbers guy or old-fashioned guy. I don't mind any of them. You can call me whatever you want, but just want to throw it out there. Today we have a fun episode because typically we come to you from a restaurant or maybe we do a product review, and today we're coming to you from a place that distills their own bourbon right here in Virginia. And I think anytime that you go to a place where they distill their own spirits and you're enjoying a cocktail with the spirits that they make at that facility, I think it just, it adds to the experience. It's special. Today we're at Flying Ace Distillery and Brewery. They make their own beer as well. And that is in Lovettsville, Virginia. Again, I get Luckett's, Lovettsville mixed up all the time. Lovettsville, Virginia. And this is one of the places that's been recommended to us. I would say probably like top 3 or top 5 places recommended to us. A lot of times places get recommended to us. It's either someone went there, they enjoyed an old fashioned, they take a photo of it, they DM us, email us, say, hey, this was a great old fashioned, you should come check it out. A lot of people were inquiring about us coming here to do a review because it's kind of far and it's kind of in, I don't want to say the middle of nowhere, but it's not like One Loudon or Reston Town Center where there's a bazillion other things to do. I mean, look behind me, it's a farm. So it is a little bit of a hike. We're talking like 25 to 40 minutes if you're in like Ashburn, Sterling area. So obviously people want to know how it is if they want to take that kind of a hike, which is understandable. So a lot of people were inquiring for us to come do it because I think they just want to know, should they take the trip? Nonetheless, you guys know how this works. 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance of the restaurant or facility. I'm gonna start off with ambiance. This place is gonna get a full 1. It's a massive, massive facility. You walk inside, there's like this like big airplane over top of the bar. The fact that they distill their own bourbon here, which they have for sale inside here, I think is excellent. And I'm sitting outside and it's a beautiful day. There's places inside that you can sit and enjoy some stuff. So yeah, full 1, strong start. We'll jump into appearance. No single cube, just kind of a bummer. And it's fairly hot today. I want to say it's probably like 70 or 74 degrees. So with these, it was 3 decent sized cubes, I'll give them that. But no single cube, which a lot of people know I'm not a fan of. So it had already melted a good amount, which is obviously going to affect, the overall taste of the drink. Cool glass. They have their own logo on the glass. I think that's cool. Very firm and strong glass. Like, I feel like you could probably knock somebody out with something like this. Luxardo cherry, and it does look nice. Single cube, especially with clear ice in this glass and a Luxardo, they're probably looking at like 2.8 to 2.9. But nonetheless, I think a fair score for this, especially with their own logo on the glass and the firmness of the glass. I'm gonna go 2-1. First sip. Here we go. Wow, that's really, really, really good. I was anticipating that for it to be super strong. Like, I don't know why. I guess because they distill their own bourbon here. I'm just thinking I'm just gonna instantly taste the bourbon. Blended very, very well by the mixologist in there. I don't know what her name is, but did a great job at that. Man, that's a great first sip, especially considering that they don't have the single cube. So obviously with the smaller cubes, it's gonna water the drink down a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna go 2.4 for first sip, which is like probably one of the highest first sips I've ever done without a single cube. And then we'll get into overall. Here we go. The bourbon they're using is obviously Flying Ace's own bourbon. Price point is $16. And you can see the ice is already toast, and I've been out here for, I don't know, 6 to 7 minutes maybe. So that's where the single cube comes into play. But still really, really good. Like, really, really good. If it wasn't 12 in the afternoon and I didn't have to go home and edit this and put this out by today, I would probably have another one just because it's a solid drink. So I said 2-4, 2-1. That's a 4-5 plus 1 is a 5-5. The ice is going to water it down just a little bit, so obviously that's going to lower it just a little bit. So we're going to go 2-2 overall. So what I said, 5-5 plus 2. We're at a 7-7. 7-7, great score. Flying Ace Distillery and Brewery right here in Lovettsville, Virginia. If you haven't been, I recommend maybe coming out, try some of their beer, try some of their bourbon, and that's it. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.